boys and girls, children whose parents don't pay attention to what they Google, and especially you, Al from CSEC. Nuclear bomb. Evolution, ladies and gentlemen. Evolution. Revolution. The evolution of the revolution. Bacon-flavored bananas. Courtesy of me, Jesus, and Monsanto. Evolution, ladies and gentlemen. Now, the theory's wrong. First and foremost, it's been proven wrong. But once upon a time, it was believed that our ancestors, be they pirate, Krishna, or ninja, well, the way it worked was agriculture, ladies and gentlemen. Agriculture. Once we had agriculture, once we domesticated animals, then we were able to build permanent towns, villages, hamlets, metropolitans. Actually, the metropolitans existed before we had agriculture or domesticated livestock, but that's not really the point. The point is evolution, as taught in schools, as inaccurately taught in schools. I plan to change that when you vote me your exalted overlord. Revolution. So, the idea we once had was we domesticated animals. We grew our own crops. And this gave us a lot more free time because we were no longer hunter-gatherers. We didn't have to wander around looking for food because we could grow it. We didn't have to wander around looking for things to kill because we put them in fences. And this is what allowed art, culture, philosophy, religion, science, etc. to flourish. Because we didn't have to spend our days as hunter-gatherers. Birds, ladies and gentlemen. Birds, descendants of dinosaurs. Google it. They used to spend a lot of their time hunting and gathering. Then we started building bird feeders. I see you. Then we started doing the bird feeder thing, and we started feeding the birds. So now they didn't have to run around looking for food because we were giving it to them. How long, ladies and gentlemen? How long, gentle people? How long, gentle people of the internet world? How long until the bird once again evolves? How long until the bird is the word? Bird is the word. How long until the bird develops art, develops science, develops philosophy? How long until the bird says, I think, therefore I am? How long until the bird writes Shakespeare? We like to say that if you take 1,000,000 monkeys and give them 1,000,000 typewriters, eventually they will write Macbeth. More accurately, if we give 1,000,000 birds 1,000,000 typewriters, not only will they write Macbeth, but they will write a constitution. They will write a revolution. They will write the manifesto that will overthrow us and take, ladies and gentlemen, take everything that we have fought so hard, that we have bribed our way to success, ladies and gentlemen, all for naught. All those toes you stepped on, all those people you betrayed, all for naught. For the time of the bird is upon us. Fear the bird.